Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the direct flight ban from India to Canada and why I strongly believe that this is going to end, this ban is going to be lifted this time. Well, there are multiple reasons, and before I proceed further to discuss them, I would like to clarify that I am not a decision maker, and whatever I am going to say is just based on my analysis, and I am not even an expert. So whatever I say could be proved correct, could be proved wrong. So I take no guarantee of the information that I discuss in this video. So guys, when it comes to lifting ban, there are various scientific reasons, like the number of cases, then risk of infection. So our honorable government officials, our honorable scientists, our honorable decision makers are going to take that decision. But what I think that some other factors are definitely going to play a role in it. First of all, the election. The election is on 20th. So 20th of August, 20th of September, I'm sorry. So if the government lifts the flight ban, just or at least makes an announcement about lifting it, I think that's going to help. Then it comes the number of cases. So in India, the wave is down and the number of cases is lower than even US. And when the non-essential traffic is already resumed from US and from other countries, it is tentatively scheduled to reopen on 7th of September. I don't see any reason of postponing for extending the ban, the direct flight ban from India, because even visa offices in India are working, so hopefully things will resume soon. And of course, vaccination requirements are there. And the good thing about India is, like in India, Moderna vaccine has been authorized, Covishield has been authorized, Johnson and Johnson, I think Janssen has been authorized as well. So all these vaccines are currently being accepted by Health Canada. So whoever is planning to come, I think, should get one of these vaccines, so that during processing and crossing the border, they do not come across any difficult situation. I mean, the more easier you make, better it is, right? The easier you make, better it is. So why not do everything in a simple way? So hopefully this is gonna help out. So I'll keep you guys updated whatever is happening. Thanks for watching guys, and please subscribe to the channel.